Welcome to our channel, FASTCABLING. Are you a small business owner looking to safeguard your valuable assets? Today in this video, we're diving into a topic, what to consider when building an NVR system for small business. So stay tuned to learn how NVR system can give you the peace of mind and protect your business. And if you're eager to dive deeper and discover a tailor-made solution for your civilian needs, you can head over to our website where expert guidance awaits you. And our solution page has the answer that you seek. Network video recording systems are a sophisticated solution that leverage the power of modern networking to enhance video monitoring and management. This system captures and stores video footage from IP cameras, offering centralized hub for recording, playback, and remote assets. NVRs utilize a network connection to communicate with IP cameras and provide users with advanced features like real-time monitoring and data analysis. So using NVR system can be a game changer for small business. First, it can provide higher resolution and image quality, ensuring that critical details are captured with clarity. Second, the flexibilities of IP cameras let business adapt to various civilian needs and locations. Scalability is also a key advantage, enabling business to easily add more cameras as they need it. And lastly, the analytic compatibilities of NVRs empower business to gather insights from video data and enhancing the decision-making and operational efficiency. When stepping into the world of NVR system, it is essential to make informed decisions that align with your business needs and aspirations. And here's a guide to navigate those crucial choices. Camera quality. Offer high-resolution camera to capture crystal clear details that leave no room for ambiguity. Number of cameras. Delve into your business' unique layouts and requirements to determine the ideal numbers of camera for comprehensive view. Storage capacity. Assess your storage needs wisely, factoring in video retention and the demands of your chosen camera resolution. Remote assets. Seek convenience in modernity, prioritize system that grants you the ability to monitor your business on the go from the palm of your hand. Motion detection. Navigate the fine line between awareness and annoyance. Choose a system that boasts customizable motion detection settings, minimizing those pesky false alarms. Integration. Ensure harmony among your security measures by selecting a system that seamlessly integrates with your existing setup. Ease of use. Simplify your operational experience with a user-friendly interface, enabling hassle-free management of your civilian system. Last but not least, budget. Striking a balance is a key. So find an NVR system that aligns features and costs, making a prudent investment in your security system. And remember, a well-informed decision today lies the foundation for a secure and efficient tomorrow. So now we're in front of the demonstration board and I'm going to do a simple NVR system setup. Let's check out what we have here. Up here we have the 5-megapixel PTZ PoE camera. This camera has 5-megapixel high resolution, provide high quality to capture details in rational distance, and also 30 times optical zoom capabilities, endless 360-degree pan, and 1 degree above horizon tilt angle, offer an overall civilian coverage, and also integrating with person detection too. Down here we have the 5-megapixel bullet camera. This camera has varifocal lens, allow you to adjust the focal length manually and giving you the flexibility to zoom in and out as needed. It also equipped with person detection and vehicle detection features. And up here, we have the 32-channel dual HDMI NVR. This NVR can provide high high-definition video data storage, and reliable central management for multiple IP cameras with real-time monitoring, and also enabled to equip with 8 internal 8 TB hard disk, which is not included. And the dual Ethernet port ensures stable network connection between the NVRs and the camera, even when the cameras are confronted with temporary network outage, and also provide the flexibility to connect to the network camera in case of network failover. And we do have another NVR that comes with 64 channel if needed. So without saying, let's do the connection together. So first, this is the router to provide the main network data. I'm going to use a short patch cord to connect it with our 32 channel NVR. And see, you have another port that you can plug in another network, and using another short patch cord to connect the router to this 16 port managed PoE switch. Let's plug it into the blink port, and here are the PoE ports that can supply PoE++ up to 60 watts of power. So let's plug it in, 2 of them. Because we have 2 cameras at the edge, now it can use PoE technology to send both power and data for our PTZ camera and the bullet camera, and eliminating the need for a separate power supply, so we don't need any power source here, only the PoE. So let's give it a little bit of time to run the cameras. We can see they're already showing up, and I'm going to wave my hand to show you this is a live video. This is the PTZ, and here we have the bullet camera zooming in and out. So now let me show you their interface on our monitor. So now we're looking at our monitor. By right-click it, you can see the main menu. We can click here to choose, or we can use this one for the playback, the IPC and the PTZ control. Let me show you our PTZ camera. We can move it around. Let me enlarge it so you can see it. The PTZ control. We can move it left and right. Whoops, too fast. If it's too fast, you can adjust the speed and sensitivity over here. Now it's moving slowly. Well, and I'm going to zoom in since it has 30 times zoom capabilities. And you can see it's very clear. And I'm not even zooming into 30 times, it's only 15 times. So you just zoom out by clicking this one. This is the bullet camera. You can adjust the focal length manually. And here the main menu, we go to playback, and here are all the playback options. You can do the Smart Express, where you can only find the alarm part and the detection part, or you can do this face search and also the car replay, because the bullet camera has the car detection features. Let's go out. This is where we set the recording configuration. When you click here, regular, it will record the video footage. You can see the red little light is on, and also you can unclick it by only detecting and making alarm. When someone is walking by, it will start recording. This is how you can do it, and you can also schedule it and set a specific time that you want, selecting different channels as you wish. Let's see what else we have here. We can also, this is the IPC setting. We can change the compression, resolution, frame rate for your storage. And hit OK. And that's pretty much it. If you're interested in the NVR system in detail, we do have another video that refers to it. So choosing and implementing your NVR system involves strategic steps that ensure optimal security and performance. Assessing your business needs forms the foundation. Consider area for coverage, night vision requirement, and specific zones of interest. And equally important is data security. Secure storage to shield sensitive footage from unauthorized access. So you're not only selecting the right NVR system, but also lay the groundwork for a robust civilian solution tailored to your business' unique demands. And thank you very much for watching. I'll see you next time.